Go tell your fucking stupid fucking general wannabe marching around in a fucking general suit looking like fucking Martin Shkreli. See that? The camera doesn't show it, but it does relatively, but it's much dimmer on that trimmer. With every one, okay? These motherfuckers are so stupid. They really are. They're button pressers. They're fucking button pressers. Same thing with the blue. And that beam is blue. They did something to my camera, that doesn't even show the blue beam. Same with the blue beam, which is a burning. Batteries are dying, but... And the same with the red. You fucking... These are the kind of people... You know what you have to be able to do to be a gangstalker? Is give a woman leg cramps while she's having sex. Fuck me. They try to do it to me. They can't fucking do it. They can't fucking do it. They're killing people, giving people MicroClots in slow motion. They're killing mass murder in slow motion. I wasn't fucking lying. That's what they're doing. This is all about MicroClots. They're hitting people up in their legs, through their knees with graphene, and giving them MicroClots. And this is where they're resting on my ceiling. This is where the mesh is resting, and this is delivering some heat and poison. I don't know where they're piping it in from. Probably, they're alchemists. These people are fucking alchemists. Remember, people, the brain is the largest producer of drug. It's the biggest drug factory in the world. So they could be producing a deadly cocktail in your brain, in your own brains. It's fucking with you. Okay? These are button pressers, and I have a team on me, boy. A team of Justice Department losers, weasels, and scoundrels. You can't even see the fucking thing on the trim. And notice, here's another thing. It doesn't even stay in the corner. Like there's something there. Why? Because there is something there. Motherfuckers. These motherfuckers really think they're slick, these cocksuckers. You see that? It doesn't even fucking want to stay there. It's pushed off. The closer I get, yeah. It doesn't even want to stay there. In the corners especially. It's jumping around. You see that? You can just see by the way it's moving. You're going to see. Yeah. There's something there. It's like it's not even touching the fucking wall. You can't be a spectator anymore, motherfuckers, because they brought the war to your door, whether you know it, like it, love it or not. Lights on, rats out.